In this video, we'll look at immutability in objects. An object that is mutable is one whose state can change, while an immutable object's state doesn't change after creation. Some advantages that immutable objects have include the fact that it's easier to encapsulate immutable objects. They're good hash key candidates since their hash codes will never change, and since they can't corrupt what they can't change, they're considered thread safe. In Ruby, mutability is applied at the instance level, not to an entire class. An instance can be made immutable by calling the freeze method on it. And calling the freeze method on an object prevents it from being changed and effectively turns it into a constant. So any attempt to alter a frozen object will result in an error. So in this code here, basically what I'm doing is I'm applying the text original string with spaces to a variable string, echoing that to the screen, then freezing it, then echoing the result of string.frozen, which will return true. And then I'm trying to apply string.strip to it here. And this will result in a runtime error. So we won't see this code down here get executed. So let's run this. Ruby immutability.rb. And you see here's the original string echoed. And then here's the frozen status, true. And then trying to strip with the exclamation mark, so applying to the original object and changing that original object, results in a runtime error. Can't modify a frozen string. Okay, so let's go over here and let's comment this line out. And then what's happening? Well, I apply a new string to the string variable, and that creates a reference to a new object. So then when I test the status of that string, it will say false. Then I can append to that string and echo that to the screen. Okay, well, let's see if this works. So I'll press Control S to save my change. Let's go over here, and just to clear things up, I'll type CLS and press Enter. And let's run this again.